Hello, welcome to Scrap Time. My name's Christine, and in this video, I'm going to be featuring the Nuvo Aroma Drops, and I'm going to be showing you how to use them as a glaze. Now, the Aroma Drops are from Tonic Studios, and they did provide me with this products to share with you today. So, by the name Aroma Drops, yes, these are scented drops. So I have my little sample sheet so you can see as a drop what they look like. There are 4 different ones. We have strawberry tart, blueberry smoothie, damask rose, and vanilla cupcake. And yes, they do smell like those things. So I was trying to think of a way to use it where you want something maybe to add a scent to it. So I came up with these cute little popsicles. This was a die set from earlier this month in the Tonic kit, and it was part of the Sweet Sorbet release. So all these papers are Sweet Sorbet, and then I use Pearlescent cardstock as the base in the white and the pink. And I love this cardstock because it has that nice pearlescent to it, but it's still a really good weight that you could use to make a card. Now what I did is you should be able to see on the drip how it is a different color. And that is the strawberry aroma drops that I used as a glaze. And now this popsicle smells like strawberries. So I thought it'd be super cute, say for party invitations or little birthday cards or whatever you can add. And it has that nice smell to it. The other thing is if you do a lot of flower cards, then the damask rose would be perfect because now you can add that scent of rose to your flower card. So these are really cool. I'm just going to show you quickly how I did the glaze. So I'm going to use a white base paper just so you can see when you use them as a glaze, the color. Like it's not as intense as when you use them as a drop. So I'm just going to put a bit on my sheet. This is strawberry. And I pick it up with a brush and I just paint it on. So it's very faint, yet it will still give you that smell in the glaze. It's probably hard to see with the lights, but it won't change your color too much. With the purple, this again is a very soft purple. And just by putting that lightness on like that, you're adding the smell to your projects. And I'll just do the blue. So when I say it's a glaze, it really is. You're just adding a tint to your projects, not a lot. So it won't interfere too much with your actual product. But it does give you, show you with the purple one, it's a little darker, this versus the flat. So that's how I did it. I put it on and then it dried really quickly. And then I just cut out my shapes and added them to my projects. And now I have these really cute scented little cards. And that's the Aroma Drops from Nuvo. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give our video a thumbs up and subscribe to Scrap Time videos on YouTube. In the meantime, here are a couple other videos you might be interested in watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.